It means the all men are equal before the law. Next, the law tablet. The law is the same for all and all are equal before it. Dear students, these were the symbols of French Revolution which were used to convey the Declaration of Rights of Men to the common people. Okay, now some activity I give you to do yourself. First of all, identify the symbols in box 1 which stand for liberty, equality and fraternity. It means you have to sort out the symbols which reflect the liberty, the equality and the fraternity. Next, explain the meaning of the painting of the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizens by reading only the symbols. Dear students, I have told you earlier that why were these symbols were painted by the painter Lee Barbieri. About it, you have to note down on your notebooks. Next, compare the political rights. Now, the third activity is compare the political rights which the Constitution of 1791 gave to the citizens with Articles 1 and 6 of the Declaration. Are the two documents consistent? Do the two documents convey the same idea? It means now you can discover this Article 1 and Article 6 of the Declaration of Rights of Men. What this Article 1 and Article 2 says? To men are born and remain free and equal. Freedom and equality are the rights declared in Article 1 of the Constitution 1791. Article 6. Law is the expression of the general will. It means right to expression. In Article 6, right of expression has been given to the common people regardless any discrimination. Next, which groups of French society would have gained from the Constitution of 1791? To prosperous person, prosperous and education section of the society gained from the Constitution of 1791. The poor households or poor section of the people, uneducated people, including women, did not gain from the Constitution of 1791. Which groups would have had reason to be dissatisfied? To weaker section and disadvantaged section. What developments does Marat anticipate in the future? Imagine the impact of the events in France on neighboring countries. How did influence the French Revolution of the neighboring countries, like in other part of Europe? So as we saw that when later we will discuss when political club, for example, Jacobin club was founded in France. Similarly, in other countries of Europe, such clubs were founded. Especially youths came forward and opposed the despotic and monarchies, and thus entire Europe got under the revolts. So it was the influences or impacts of the French Revolution in neighboring country like Prussia, Austria, Hungary or Spain, all of which were absolute monarchies. How would the king, traders, peasants, nobles or members of the clergy here have reacted to the news of what was happening in France? So these all groups reacted adversely what was happening in the France, because they were worried that happening of the France would snatch, would check up their freedoms and their powers and would limit their privilege. Thus we see that these, if you do such activities sincerely, then you would be completed or you would understand very well of the symbols and communication of the philosophers to common people to be free and to abolish the monarchy. In next class, dear students, we will discuss about the abolition of monarchy from France and becoming a true republic. In previous section, we have already discussed about the becoming republic, but in that section we saw that only few sections of the society were given political rights. But in this section, while we will discuss about the abolition of monarchy and becoming republic, here we will find that all the people above 25 years got the rights of vote. 21 years, sorry, not 25 years, 21 years and above, regardless of wealth, got the right to vote. Thus, we will finish this section. Okay, thank you.